Hi, can I come in?
Yes, you can.
This is my resume.
Coca-Cola.
The employees is drawn to Coca-Cola Global Branch. Legacy and commitment to sustainability and information.
Are your pre-registration?
They use tools like Google Maps and Asana to organize and formalize projects.
Skill and experience?
They bring marketing, budget management, and collaboration skills that will help contribute to team success.
For your time, Mr. Mashao, we call you. May I come in?
Yes, you can come in.
This is my resume.
Okay. What are your strengths and how do you plan to use them in this role?
They plan to use their organization skill to manage tasks efficiently and meet deadline.
Attracted you to this role and our company?
They were drawn to the company position and the opportunity to uphold their skill in the meaningful way.
Do you handle multiple deadlines or stressful situations?
I stay organized by breaking tasks down into smaller steps and communicate openly with the team to adjust properties when necessary.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. William, for this time. We will call you.